Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Content Home Workout Series. Today we are on our day 28 and we have a yoga routine on weight loss. So we have already done one yoga routine on weight loss. Today is part 2 of that. So hope you enjoy it and let's start. We'll begin in child's pose. Take child's pose, knees joined. Take your hands forward, straight forward, and we will stay here for 30 seconds. Take long deep breaths. Keep breathing, take long deep breaths. Now we will do child's pose with knees apart. Keep good distance between your knees. So the recommended distance is almost like a mat distance between your knees. And let's hold again for 30 seconds. Child's pose is an excellent posture to relieve your body, to relax you before starting your yoga routine. It brings you back in the moment only if you know how to take deep breaths. So please understand it's very important. Okay, now come up on all fours. Now we'll go for cat cow. A very important asana. Inhale, look up and push the stomach down. Yes. Exhale. Pull the stomach up towards your lower spine and lock your chin to chest. Inhale, look up. Push the stomach down and look up. Exhale, stomach up, head down, chest, chin to chest. Inhale, stomach down, face up. Exhale, stomach up, chin to chest. Very good. Now slowly come back to neutral position, that is all fours. Now raise your opposite hand and leg for 15 seconds. 1. I'm counting the breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and slowly release. We'll do this on the other side. Opposite hand and leg up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and slowly bring it down. Now again raise your opposite hand and leg, but this time take it on this side. Like right hand goes on right side and left hand goes on left side. Yes, very good. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the leg forward if possible and 6. Slowly release. We'll repeat on the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and slowly release. Now come back to all fours. We'll repeat cat cow again. One time. Inhale up. Stomach comes down. Exhale. Chin to chest. Stomach goes up. Come back to neutral. Now slowly lift your entire body up in a plank position. Can you come little forward? Bring your palms forward. Okay, and we'll hold for 15 seconds. Full plank, we are holding for 15 seconds. Head in between the palm, entire body straight, stomach tight. Okay, and slowly go down for baby cobra. Lie down on your stomach, palms next to the chest, and only lift your upper body. Yes, this is baby cobra. We'll hold for 15 seconds here again. Okay, slowly go down and lift your body up for Adho Mukha Svanasana, also known as downward dog, and we'll stay for 30 seconds. Press the heel down. Okay, now slowly walk forward till your palm and come in Uttanasana. Grab your ankle and take your nose to knee. Now slowly inhale, come all the way up, and we'll go for Surya Namaskar A 3 times. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward, grab your ankle, head to knee. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, walk or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. You can also go for knee, chest, chin down. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, thighs in air. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And we'll stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. Inhale 1, exhale, inhale 2, exhale, inhale 3, exhale, inhale 4, exhale, inhale 5, exhale, bend your knee, look between the palm and jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, come back to Samasthiti. Now we'll go for second Surya Namaskar. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. You can go for Bhujangasana here. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale. Inhale 3, exhale, bend your knee, look between the palm. Inhale 4, exhale, inhale 5, exhale. Very nice. Slowly bend your knee, look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Ashtau, exhale, fold forward. Nava, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, come back to Samasthiti. Now we'll do this one more time. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. Inhale 1, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale. Inhale 3, exhale. Inhale 4. Exhale. Inhale 5. Exhale. Now slowly bend your knee, look between the palm, jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Exhale, fold forward. Grab your ankle, head to knee. Inhale, come all the way up and come back to Samasthiti. Now, just start with Surya Namaskar and we'll go to lunge position. Ekam, inhale, look where the thumbs meet. The way exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, look straight. Chatwari, slowly walk your one leg back and come in lunge position. Now jump and bring your, we are going for lunge jumps. Jump and bring your other leg. 1, 2, we'll do 10 of these. Very good. 3, 4, 5, the knee should come in between the hand. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now keep the knee down. Relax your toe and take your hands up in Namaste. And go for a back bend. Push the knee forward. Stay here for 15 seconds. Try to push the knee as forward as possible, maintaining your balance. Nice. Stay here only for 15 seconds. Okay, now go for half split. Take your front leg straight forward. Keep it on the heel. Extend your leg forward and keep your fingertips next to your feet. Take your nose to your knee. Toes pointing towards you. Very good. Pull the toes towards you. Nice. The more you pull the toes towards you, the more the stretch in your hamstring. Excellent work. Okay, now come in lunge position again. Let's finish our vinyasa. Plank, Chaturanga or Ashtang Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now bring your right leg forward in between the palm. Now we'll again go for, we are going for lunge jumps. 10 times again. Ready? So that earlier we did with left leg. Now this time we are starting with right leg. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. And excellent work. Now keep your knee down. We shall go for Anjaneyasana Asana for 15 seconds. Push the knee forward as much as possible. It's okay if you lose balance. Get in the position again. Okay, now let's go for half split. Extend your leg forward on the heel. Toes pointed towards you and palms next to your feet. Nose to knee. Keep pulling the toes towards you. We are holding each asana only for 15 seconds. So stay strong. Okay. Now bend your knee. Let's finish the vinyasa. Plank, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. And now we'll go for side plank. So we are going for full side plank. Keep your palm in middle of your mat. Keep your both the feet on top of each other. And we are holding this for 30 seconds. Very good work. Excellent work. 10 seconds done. Stay strong. Yes, if you feel that keeping your hand up is difficult, you can keep it down. Last 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's change the side. We'll repeat the side plank on other side with the other hand. Very good. If you feel this is very difficult for you, you can keep your one knee down, or you can keep your feet separate. 20 seconds done. Last 10 seconds to go. 5, 3, 2, and let's finish the vinyasa. Come in plank. Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. And we'll now go for forearm plank. Keep your forearms down. We are holding only for 40 seconds. Keep your core tight, stomach tight, both the feet on toes. We're already halfway there. Just 10 more seconds to go. Stay strong. You're working on your core. It really needs that tightening and toning. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now let's go into a vinyasa. Come in plank position. Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Now kick your right leg up towards the ceiling and bring it in between the palm. Take your both the hands straight up, keeping your legs in this position. No, don't turn your back leg, keep it on toe. We're going for high lunge. Both the hands up. 1, 2, 3, knee stacked over the ankle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll go for side plank for 5 breaths. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now finish the vinyasa. Plank. Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Now kick your left leg up towards the ceiling and bring it in between the palm. Let's go for high lunge on other side. 1, 2, bring your feet little back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend a little back leg on toe. 8, yes, 9, 10. And let's go for side plank on the other side. Only 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the last vinyasa, I promise. Plank, Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. And now we'll go for dolphin pose. So how do we do dolphin? Keep your forearms down in Adho Mukha Svanasana position, that is downward dog position. We are here for only 40 seconds. Keep your palm down and try to walk your feet inside if possible. Very good. Excellent work. 15 seconds done. Stay strong. Only 25 seconds more. Out of that 20, it's okay if you fall down. Get up again. Nice. Last 10. Trust me, this looks easy, but It's burning, I'm sure. 5. Take the head inside. 4, 3, 2. Okay, rest. Now we'll go for Sirshasan, only to be attempted by the ones who already know and who are doing it. We'll hold Sirshasan for 10 breaths. So take the position. Disclaimer, please attempt only you have been practicing it already. Don't try to do it for the first time. One, 2, 3, 4. Keep your feet separate. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Now we shall go for Sarvangasana. Lie down on your back. Ten breaths. Ready? Start. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's go for Halasan. 1, 2. We're here for 10 breaths today. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly release Halasan and come in Paschimottanasana. We'll hold Paschimottanasana for 15 breaths. Hands up. Exhale and grab your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take your nose to knee. 14, 15, and slowly release Paschimottanasana. Now we have 2 more asanas. We'll go for Vakrasana first. Keep your both the legs straight. Then fold your one leg and keep it next to your inner thigh in standing position. Yes. Now raise your right hand up. Sorry, left hand up. And try to cross it across your right feet, right leg. And try to grab your left knee and look back. 1, 2, 3. Twist as much as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep twisting. 9 and 10. Slowly release. Can you turn this side so we can see your hand also? Now we'll repeat on the other side. So fold your other leg and raise your opposite hand up. Try to cross it across your leg and try to grab your knee and look back. 1. Try to look towards the opposite side, like towards the cupboard. 2. 3. 4. So generally one side will feel more stiff. 5. That's normal. 6. 7. Keep twisting. 8. 9. 10. And slowly release. Now we have one standing asana, so slowly stand up. Grab your ankle and go down. First take your hands up, inhale up. Exhale, go down and grab your ankle. Take your nose to knee. Pada Hastasana. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, take your hands up just the way you went down and come back to Namaste. So that was your yoga for weight loss part 2. I hope you're sweating by now. Let me know in the comments how did it go. Thank you so much for joining us. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Namaste.